Hi, welcome back to ShotokuTech. Yeah, previously we configured the Thinknode G4 Wi-Fi HaLow gateway, and we took a long walk through all of the features. Now it's time to set up the ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow module from Elecrow. It's got a camera on it, and we should be able to transmit video from 1 to 2 kilometers. And we're using the Wi-Fi HaLow. Yeah, you're going to want to watch all my Wi-Fi HaLow videos to get the lowdown on it. It's basically running on the 915 megahertz, just like LoRa, but it's not LoRa. Anyway, yeah, so I was a little confused. I was reading the instructions at 5 a.m. and I didn't realize they're talking about configuring the Thinknode G4 gateway in the instructions for the ESP32 manual. So I'm like, why am I going to figure? Oh, we already did it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, the instructions are thorough. Yeah. So, yeah, it goes through setting up the gateway again, but we already did it. So you got to scroll all the way down to the last 2 pages here, and we'll see, yeah, ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow module configuration. Yeah, I figured it out Saturday morning. I was looking at it Thursday morning at 5 a.m. and I'm like, oh man, I can't make it work. I was trying to hit the configure button on the ESP. Yeah, I got this SSCOM. We're going to use that to connect to the ESP32 and send this little AT command, AT plus CWJAP, and then you want your Wi-Fi, the Thinknode SSID and password for the Wi-Fi HaLow network. So we're going to plug it in. Look for the links for everything down below, product page, the SSCOM link, GitHub site, etc. Yeah, here we are. We're going to plug it in, and we're going to connect up SSCOM. You can see there's some stuff being transmitted along there. It's attempting to connect to their test gateway that they set up before they shipped it. So here's where I'm going to paste the AT command with my SSID and password. And now it's going to try to connect. May take up to 30 seconds. Holding my breath. Come on. Oh, stay. STA is connecting. WLAN STA is connected. Oh, look, there's an IP address for my camera too. 192.168.12.15. Excellent. That's a good sign. So it should be a pretty simple matter. I had to switch to the Thinknode gateway as my Wi-Fi connection. I couldn't ping that IP address from my regular network, but I can still browse the internet from the G4 gateway. Yeah, so here I can ping it. You see previously I couldn't ping it there. Now I can ping it. I'm interested in this latency here. I mean, we're right next to each other, but you got to consider, we're going to be streaming video. Yeah, wow, it's working. I'm shocked. All right, this is excellent. Excellent. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. You can see that guy's excited about it. I was just doing that this morning, and it's like, wow, it actually works. And that was quite simple. Really, literally, all you need is some terminal program, drop that AT command, and you're connected up to your G4. It's right next to, they're right next to each other. So I'm a little interested. Oh, and this is cool. In the serial monitor, you can see, wow, 14 kilobytes, 13 frames per second. So it's showing you the video statistics and the latency and the size of the packet. So these are pretty big packets going over that Wi-Fi HaLow. Make sure to look for the links to the product page down below. Yeah, the gateway, the Thinknode G4 gateway, and the Elecrow ESP32 Wi-Fi HaLow module. Make sure to check out the previous video if you have not already. Tremendously capable device. Many features. We take a walk through everything. Anyway, give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and before you go watch more of my Elecrow playlist here or my Wi-Fi HaLow playlist, I strongly recommend it. Please give this video a like, and thank you very much.